It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, intelligent access key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.